Vicky Nenga and Sevina Tohap are among a handful of cleaners who wake up early each morning to clean the streets of Port Moresby. They sweep and collect rubbish scattered by pedestrians and people traveling in moving vehicles. While New Year is approaching, these workers will continue to clean the roadsides. But this woman said in 2015 they expect people to be mature in their attitude and dispose of their rubbish appropriately.
Mibla rasi mistata still satrome na mibla luki mos na country blo mibla im change plan de sani change na mibla tingo sa ono na trome rabis on pa kar mi gol proper place lo putin na mibla on man mary mibla sta clean up lo disla road mibla ga mibla warriors on no gan trome rabis.
In June next year, Port Moresby will host the Pacific Games, which is expected to attract thousands of athletes. But Vicky Nenga says people must start helping in small ways to make the city welcoming for participating countries.
As soon as people are cleaning roads, also come go locaro, slagan and still also trome. Na people say warriors, people cleaning roads, boli ga dai look so. All must think all cleaning roads, so people must carry kona tromelos and proper way or rubbish style again. So more big games come up now. Time. People also cleaning road long and people think rubbish so also standing only on trome nabat road or slagan.
Meanwhile, household rubbish and those littered on the streets is visibly and eyesore this festive season. In Port Moresby's main town area, the drains are filled with rubbish, especially plastic bags. This morning, this woman volunteered to pull out some rubbish using her legs and fingers. The health and safety of these workers has not been addressed appropriately by responsible authorities, but the workers continue to do it. Quinten Alomp, National MTV News.